Hi guys, I'm here at Sabah Agricultural Park or Taman Pertanian Sabah for the Flower Festival 2019. This flower festival happens only once a year, usually around July or August, and this is the first time that it's running for 9 days consecutively. It is a really awesome festival because this is a huge agricultural park located here in Tenom, which is probably the agricultural hub of Sabah, and there is a full range of displays here of beautiful flowers that can be found throughout the park. There's areas for you to take photos, there's activities happening, there's fun and games for everyone. It's just a great event for you to come with your friends and family, enjoy the beauty of nature and learn more about the flora and fauna that can be found in Sabah. This beautiful specimen is one of the many reasons you should come to the flower festival here at the Sabah Agricultural Park. This is the Telinga Gajah orchid, or the elephant ear orchid. It's endemic to Sabah and it's one of the rarest and most expensive orchids in the world. This is one of the classic photo spots. Every booth, every display has a place that you can take photos with your friends and family. Very Instagrammable. If you can't make it here for the flower festival, you don't have to worry. The Sabah Agricultural Park is open all year round and it's an incredible destination for tourists to come and enjoy the many different varieties of flora. The trees, the fruiting trees, the flowers, the plants, there's so much to see, and there's also many different landscape gardens. Also, there's many different ways that you can experience this park. You can walk around the hundreds of different beautiful pathways going through the landscape gardens, or you can take the land train or the electric car that can bring you around so that you can see the entire park and all that it has to offer.